Hello students, welcome. Dear students, today in our indices chapter we are going to solve practice set number 27 and practice set number 28. Let's see first the practice set number 27. So practice set number 27 is based on multiplication of indices with the same base. When base is same, then how I have to do the multiplication of the indices. So the question is there, question simplify. See students, these examples, this indices chapters look like with danger, but it is very simple. Okay, now see, there are some laws are given in the notes. I gave all the laws. Laws means the rules, or you can say the formulas also. So all I gave in the notes. Read the notes carefully. Okay, now first here the question is simplify. Simplify means we have to simplify, we have to solve that. Now here the formula for multiplication of indices, okay, of the same base. So base C here, 21, 20 and base same. Here minus 27, minus 27, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9, J, M upon 7, M upon 7. So your base are same. Okay, only we have to deal with the indices, okay, or index. Now see, here the formula a raised to m or a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a m plus n. Now how we have to solve? We have to apply this only. Now here this one, base is 2 times. So we'll write the base 1 time a according to this formula. See, formula is here a m plus n. So here a means 21. So 21 m plus n. M means this and n means 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to, now 21, only we have to add 6 plus 8. Okay, so that is 14. So we got answer 21 raised to 14. So 21 is the base and 14 is index, or we can say exponent. Okay, isn't it simple? Now second, same we have to solve. Only take the base 1 time, then the index is 9 plus 7 we have to add is equal to minus 27, here 16. Simple. Again, now here fraction. So first take the base and then add the indices. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 4 upon 9, 5 plus 5, 10. Simple. Now next, take the base j, add the indices 18 plus 4, so is equal to j 22. Now fifth one, here also take the base m upon 7, add the indices 4 plus 5, here 4 and 5 is equal to m upon 7, 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, so these are very simple. Only what you have to do, keep in mind, when there is a multiplication of indices, then you have to add the indices. Okay, if division, now we're going to solve practice set number 28. That depends on division. If divisions examples are there, then you have to do subtraction. If multiplication examples in there in indices, so you have to add the indices, and if division, then you have to subtract the indices. That's it. Very simple. Now we'll move to the practice set number 28. So the practice set number 20 is also depend the division of indices of the same base. Okay, now see here, k same, the base are same, k here base, tt, vv, and question number 2 is little bit different. We will find the value. So let's we'll solve first this one. Again, what we have to do according to the formula, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a m minus n. Only we have to subtract the indices. So first write the base 8 minus 4 is equal to k is equal to k raised to 4. This is our answer. Now T6 and 16. Okay, so try T6 minus 16. See students, here 6 is smaller than 16. Okay, we can subtract, but our answer is minus because plus minus minus. So our answer is T minus 10. Only this kind of examples, if first number is smaller, then you have to take care, always your answer in minus form. Okay, now next one, V, here V 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 means V raised to 0, and if we got the index or exponent 0, then always the answer is 1. So V is equal to 1. Why? See the rules, see the laws that is mentioned. Okay, read in textbook also and whatever I gave the notes. Okay, so just this you have to take care. These two examples, that's why I write these two examples. Here if small number is there, we have to subtract bigger number, then always our answer is minus. And if we got the index or exponent 0, then the answer is 1. So V is equal to 1. Okay, now students, so here is second question, find the value. So this is also very simple. Same here, here whatever we solve like this we have to solve, but one more step we have to add, that we have to find the value. How? Look here, minus 9 raised to 6 divided by minus 10 raised to 4. So according to the rule, what we have to do is equal to minus 9, 6 minus 4. Okay, is equal to minus 9, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So now we have to find the value. So 9 minus 9 raised to 2 means is equal to minus 9 raised to 2 means we have to multiply minus 9 2 times. Then we get 9 9s are 81, minus minus plus, so 81. Okay, here 9 square we have to write. So here only same way we have to solve, but here one step we have to add, that we have to find the value. Okay, so the value of this division, that is 81. Now the next one, first we have to write the base, then 5 minus 4 is equal to, now again 8 upon 9, 5 minus 4 1. So here student, our answer is 8 upon 9. 1 means that number itself. If the index is 1, then we will write the number itself. Now here third example, same we will solve. First write the base, then 6 minus 6. I'll put the bracket here. So 6 minus 6, 12 raised to 0. When 0 I told you here also, then answer is always 1. Okay, if index is 0, then I'll always you have to write the answer 1. Now we'll solve the last example. Here minus 18 minus 18. So first write the base, minus 18, then we have to subtract. The index is 10 minus 8 is equal to minus 18. 10 minus 8, 2 means we have to write the 18 square. Okay, so minus minus plus, always the square. Now 18 square is 324. So that is positive, because if we multiply minus 18 multiply by minus 18, then minus minus get plus. You can write here the step also, minus 18 multiply by minus 18. Then you got the answer 324. So these are the values here. This way you have to find the value. Okay, I hope you understood, student. These are very simple examples, isn't it? Now in the next practice set, it is also simple. We will see. Till there, students, take care. Bye bye. And one more thing I have to tell students. Now For first term exam, our syllabus is up to from the first chapter to joint bar graph, okay, 1 to 7. Now after this two practice set of this index chapter and one practice set of joint bar graph. That joint bar graph is very simple, okay. So just why I am informing you, because you have to update your notebooks till this practice set number 28. So update means complete your notebook up to practice set number 28. That's why I am reminding, okay, because soon I'll take your notebooks for correction. So syllabus is 1 to 7 chapter, okay, from geometrical construction to joint bar graph, okay. Still students, take care, bye bye.